Check. How to trigger your brain to arrange some better melodies. Yo, Unpheric here. Today I'm gonna talk about something that breaks producer hearts. The melodies. You know the feeling you're vibing and laying down some ideas in FL Studio or whatever DAW you use? When you listen to it and suddenly there's something's off with it. It's not bad, but it's not good either. It's more like beating into sandwich that look good, but it tastes bad. So today we're gonna break down how to train our brain to make some better melodies. Stuff that sticks, flows, and actually sounds musical. I got 4 plus 1 tips. Yeah, it's called 5 tips that just be missing pieces in your creative puzzle. Number 1 is don't start with melody first. Like, seriously guys, serious. This is serious. Okay, this is kinda controversial, but hear me out. Unless you're that one in a million guy who wakes up with a melody in their head, like Mozart. Most of us just staring at the piano roll like, what the fuck I'm gonna do with it? So here's the move. Start with the chords first. Think of chords like roads. If the road clear and smooth, your melody has somewhere to go. Just hum something chill like da da da, or like da da da. Lay that down, build around it. Melody just cherry on top, but you gotta bake the cake first. If you're in a full studio, you can cheat a bit with the use chord progression generator. Pick a scale, pick the vibe. You can choose that. You can choose dramatic, emotional, hopeful, and boom, instant harmonic playground. Number 2 is don't overcomplicate it. Your brain will thanks to you. You ever try writing a melody and 5 minutes later you're like, what key am I even in? Complexity can be cool if you already know to handle it. But if you're new or halfway there, simplicity is clarity. Even mega artists like Coldplay, Billie Eilish keep their melodies that simple. Why? Because simplicity sticks. It's hummable. It connects. Try this. Take your chord progression, write a short phrase on top, then copy it together a little. That's it. Clean, focused, and memorable. You don't need 37 notes in one bar to sound genius. You just need 3 that work. We can dive into number 3. Predictability is not boring, it's strategic. Try this trick. Melody goes up like this. The melody goes up to call and go down to response. You can clone the melodies and change the ending slightly. Here's the fun fact. Most humans' brain love patterns. You can bend the rules after you learn them, but until then, start within the lines. Unpredictable melodies can be cool if you don't write, but they are hard to pull off without confusion the listener. And confusion equals skip button. We don't want that. And tips number 4 is let's switch your chord progression a little. Before we go deeper into melodies, let's spice up those chords. You can throw in the switch too. Or add 9 here and there to make some you can arpeggiate it, strum it slightly so it feels more human. Don't be afraid to mess around in, but keep it tasteful, and your sounds ends up sounding like 3 tracks playing at once. Use your ears. If it vibes, it stays. Number 5 is layering. Last but not least is layer your melodies. A single line of notes will always sound flat, especially with pianos. But drop in harmony just a third above below and suddenly it feels alive. It's like putting a reverb into dry vocal. You're not changing the main idea, just giving it some space to breathe. Subtle layering equals emotional payoff. The final result is now put it all together and you got a melody that follows the chords, keep things simple and catchy, feels intentional, and has emotional depth from layering. From there you can repurpose it, turn it into a future bass or orchestra, whatever you like. And or you can even combine them like EDM orchestra. So that's it for today. If this helped you dodge the melody block, hit that like and share it with your producer squad and subscribe for more music making jams. And now go write something that makes you feel something and see you in the next one.